The Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is a well-rounded budget smartphone designed to deliver a premium experience at an affordable price point, making it a compelling option for users seeking modern features without a high cost. It features a large 6.74-inch Super AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, which ensures vibrant color reproduction, deep contrasts, and smooth scrolling, ideal for browsing, gaming, and media consumption. The phone is powered by the efficient MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset built on a 6nm process, offering balanced performance and power efficiency. Paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, the Galaxy A17 5G handles multitasking, streaming, and everyday tasks with ease. Photography is also a strong suit for its class, thanks to a capable triple-camera setup. The main 50MP sensor captures detailed images in various lighting conditions, while the 2MP macro lens allows for close-up shots, and a depth sensor enhances portrait photography with accurate background blur. On the front, it houses an 8MP selfie camera that supports beauty and AI features, suitable for video calls and social media use. The device is fueled by a 5000 mAh battery, which supports 25W fast charging and can easily last a full day of intensive use, or even 2 days under moderate conditions. What truly sets the Galaxy A17 5G apart from other entry-level phones is its software. It runs Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8 skin on top, delivering a refreshed and more customizable interface. This latest software includes smarter AI-driven features, improved privacy controls, smoother animations, and enhanced multitasking capabilities like split screen and pop-up view. Samsung has also committed to extended software support for the A17 5G, promising major OS upgrades and security patches for several years, which add significant long-term value to the device. Whether you're a student, a first-time smartphone buyer, or someone looking for a reliable secondary phone, the Galaxy A17 5G offers an excellent blend of performance, features, and future-proof software.